On today's Enrique's Home Buyer channel, we're going to talk about why FHA continues to be a phenomenal program to purchase a home. Welcome back, Enrique here with First West Financial. I'm a mortgage broker located here in Southern California. I'm one of the highest rated mortgage brokers in my area. And one of the things that we're going to do today is we're going to spend a few minutes, we're going to talk about FHA programs. Why is FHA such a popular program? Why do people continue to go back to FHA when they're trying to purchase a home? So we're going to talk briefly about some of the advantages of FHA. Hopefully this is going to encourage you if you are in the market to buy a home, you're worried about high rates. FHA is going to become a great alternative. So one of the things we know is that right now rates are on the way up. You know, we are here starting in May of 2022, and we are seeing rates that we haven't seen in a long time. Well, the first thing you need to know is that FHA rates are usually lower than conventional rates. So if you were qualified for a loan, say with 5% down with mortgage insurance or 3% down with mortgage insurance, I want you to talk to your mortgage professional about looking at an FHA as an alternative. Yes, the mortgage insurance may be a little higher, but some of the interest rates are almost 1% lower than conventional. So you're going to have to make a comparison whether FHA is good for you or not in terms of rates. That is only one of the reasons why we think FHA will continue to be a home run for buyers. The second reason is if your credit is not perfect. In other words, if you have scores under 700 or under 680 or under 650, FHA is going to be very important because you don't get penalized that much for having lower scores. Trying to get a conventional loan with 5% down and a 640, 650 score, 660 is going to be extremely expensive, and the mortgage insurance is going to be extremely expensive. The interest rate is going to be almost 1.5% higher in some cases than FHA. That's why you have to turn to FHA. But there's a lot of lenders who will not tell you that they don't like FHA loans for one reason or another. Maybe they're not educated. There are some banks, some of the big banks here in the United States, that actually do not do FHA loans. So a lot of our customers, many of you who are watching this, don't even know that that's an option. So I want you to stop what you're doing. If you're already shopping around, you are already in the market for a home, and you are, putting, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 10% down, and your interest rate is really high because you have less than perfect score. I want you to look at FHA as an alternative. There are some other advantages. Number one, you can use gift funds, right? So gift funds are important. They can come from a relative, your employer. You can also use money from your 401k to purchase a home. You can also use what we call a non-occupant co-borrower. That means that somebody can co-sign for you to purchase the home. FHA allows that as well. So there's some really good alternatives. It's more flexible when it comes to collections and bankruptcies and previous foreclosures. All those things are going to make it very hard to get a house with conventional, but easy with FHA. So FHA, as you can see, is going to be a great option. Is it the perfect option for you? I don't know, because I don't know your situation, but your mortgage person should be able to do that. Now, if you fit the parameters that I just described and your mortgage person did not mention FHA, you should either go back and talk to them or get a second opinion. Find out if FHA is right for you. If you're in California, you can reach out to us. We'll answer your questions. Or if you're outside of California, go to www.findamortgagebroker.com. Connect there, talk to a mortgage broker, find out if FHA is a good alternative for you. Do not be stuck with a conventional when you may have some better options. Everyone is different. So all the information I'm giving you is not going to apply to everybody. Now, if you want to learn more about buying a home and how to be the best possible homeowner and home buyer you can be, go check out the rest of my videos. Click subscribe. Make sure you share this with others. We love to help you. We love to talk to you more about it, educate you. Comment below. Have a phenomenal day. Talk to you soon.